Hi friends, and welcome to the Fabric Loft. Today I am painting some cute lemons, daisies, and butterflies on an old pair of torn jeans. You could use any denim of your choice, but this is a cool way to upcycle some old clothes. I am going to start by using a pencil to draw out the outlines of the shapes. You could use images from the internet as inspiration to get the shapes right. This is a significant step as it lays the foundation for the rest of the artwork. Once you have your outlines ready to go, you can start by laying down a flat layer of white paint. Filling in the shapes with this white wash will allow a smooth application of the colors in the next steps to come. I am using Fevicryl fabric paints in this tutorial. They have a runny texture that allows a smooth application that is not too gloopy. I will link these paints down below in the description. Now that my shapes are all color blocked and dried up, I am going to start adding in the color. Use your creativity to mix different shades to create a wide variety of colors. These particular paints dry fast, so you have to work pretty quickly. I like to follow the process of laying down my base colors first, and then building dimension and texture over it. Use darker colors to create shadows and lighter colors to highlight. As you can see, I am filling in all the yellow areas first. This is a great technique to use to figure out the placement of a single color in the composition. Give a freshly painted area a couple seconds to dry before layering a new color over it. Use line work and stippling techniques to create dimension and detailing to make the art look more interesting. Now that you have a good idea about how this thing works, it is time for a time lapse. Cue music. I am back again. The detailing of the artwork completely depends upon your illustrative style. As a designer, I love fine detailed spots and dry brush textures to create highlights. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, as you could just paint over it. Keep going and have fun with it. This DIY is an amazing weekend project, and I can guarantee you some really cute Instagram pictures. Feel free to comment down below with any questions. Here is a little zoomed in montage, up close and personal, with my daisies, butterflies, and lemons. I absolutely love painting these pockets, and I can't wait to revamp some more of my old clothes. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you back here again.